this whole race so far. We've been always call Ricky up to try and get a shot of some dolphins, and finally he's got the shot.
Here we are, day 5, 1,200 miles to go. Last 24 hours has been ripping. Fantastic sailing all through yesterday, and it's all good. We've kept the big gear up, and as you can see, racing is pretty close.
Tomorrow's a different day. It's going to be windy, big waves, so we're just going to have to hang on. Rudder snapped off. The rudder is snapped off about 6 inches below the hull. It's obviously what caused that wipeout. We're going to have to jibe now, and we're going to have to get a spare rudder in, which is going to be a mission.
Very surprised that went as easy as it did. The hardest thing was getting the odd bit out. Okay?